Hello, my name is Sammy, and I'll be going over the Megamation Direct Line video today and covering the PM Scheduler. From the main menu, we can go to Module, Preventive Maintenance, and then clicking on PM Scheduler. Usually, we would have to schedule preventive maintenance work orders for equipment that needs servicing at a frequency of a month or bi-weekly, any kind of frequency. So in this example, we're going to schedule them by looking at the different options available in the PM scheduler and running it on a start and end date. The types of scheduling: PM, PMI, PMC, the different types of PM work orders. You can choose to have calibration included, or the fleet. If you also want, you could schedule only procedures with checklist routes. So this search criteria is very important on this pop-up, and you will see there's already dates filled in. Some of the general options are important, like display the procedures, print them along with standard and safety procedures. If you have checklists, you could check this off. They'll get printed, and this is a good option. Do not schedule procedures for inactive equipment. You could also choose to synchronize procedure due dates. I'll show you the difference of how that works. Once you're set with your general options and search criteria, all you have to do is hit OK, and it will show you a list of PMs due between the start and end date that you selected. Now you would have to actually choose them and then hit OK to schedule them in. So some of the choices I've selected, the first one is PM 100. It's got a monthly frequency. The last time it was done was in August, so the next time it's due is September. If I were to hit OK, it would get scheduled for the month of September to schedule them in. There's the 3 work orders scheduled, and since I had print option on, it will now print those work orders for me one by one. So this is how you would schedule preventive maintenance work orders for all types of equipment. The other option I want to talk to you about is also found under module PM scheduler in the preventive maintenance module. That's synchronize procedure due dates. Now this option helps when you've missed a few PMs in the past month or weeks and you want to catch up. So if I have that checked off and I hit OK, notice the red lines. Those are for PMs that have been overdue. The due dates for the monthly frequency for this PM, which was supposed to be scheduled in September, will not anymore, and it will get scheduled for the next month based on my criteria. So it will just schedule it for the last monthly date it should be due on. So if I had selected, instead of 31st of October as my end date, November 1st, then I would have been scheduling it for the 1st November. The date due would say that. This is a good way of catching up, so you wouldn't have to schedule older work orders that were due for previous frequencies. It'll show you those red lines, but once you schedule them, it won't show the red lines anymore. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always go to PM Scheduler and click on Help to get a brief description of all the various options available to you. And again, here the Synchronize option has a description as well for you. And so that's how you can select which PMs you would like to schedule and hit OK to actually schedule them. Another way of scheduling would be the PM manual scheduling, and it's very similarly set up where you can choose what types you want to schedule, but it gives you search criteria for equipment, so you could search by a particular equipment. You can then choose to print the work order along with its standard safety procedures, any test data, result sheets, or checklists if needed. So all you would have to do here is choose an equipment. Let's say I choose that, and it will show me if there's a PM that is due, and we can select it and hit OK. So that was a quick video on how to schedule PM work orders. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call us at support 1-800-344-8655 option 1.